Hi guys, I'm back in my channel, and in this channel I'm going to unbox the first product, that is a wireless charger of Samsung, and I'm going to unbox it and give it a small review to this, and make sure you can thumbs up this video and share this video with you guys, and please subscribe the channel. And I'm not making the video long, just going to the unboxing, so don't wasting time, let's get started. This is our first product, and I'm going to unbox this, which is a wireless charging of Samsung that is given by with my Samsung Galaxy S8 Plus, and it was so long that that has been shifted to my home, but I was not getting time to unbox it. So really sorry for that. Not making no time, let's unbox it. Box. This is the bill, you can see. Let's really crop it down. This is a typical Samsung product that has been shifted from South Korea directly from. This is the bill. You can see it. There is no money. Total money is zero because that is this offer with the Samsung S8 Plus. So it was cost zero price. So let it unbox and give it a small review to you. So let's box it. Okay. No need to have a knife at all. Sorry for that. It's too tight pin. So tight that has been. Sorry guys, I will definitely move forward this video, but it's very tightly packed, that's why I'm getting time to unbox it. So finally this is here. It's so nice. It's packed by Samsung and Savage Technologies. From that it's been shifted. Okay. And for this is the unboxing product. Okay, now let's unbox it. I'm getting an actual idea from where to unbox it. Okay, let me try from one side. So again it is intact. The typical, let's say, plastic. upside it down, you see the inside. This is the Samsung first charging technology. It has been said that 10 minutes charging, 120 minutes chatting, 60 minutes playing, and 50 minutes of texting. Okay, let's go ahead. You can again see that the price is 0 here because it is a gifted product. It was actually an offer with my Samsung. It has been the Samsung product. So let's unbox it. First cut the cell and then to move on. This has been broken and then let's open it up. Okay, now the two seals are there. I think so. Seal is here and one seal is here last. Oh, you can see that. Okay, let's put it aside. You can see that, guys. It's a quick start guide. It's been given by Samsung for the wireless charger. You can see it by pausing the video. You can go to the website of Samsung and easily find out from there. Now USB normal port to type C port is given up, and a quick start guide also given there. Oh, this is something that I have to really read out. Next, put it aside. This is the charger. It's a wireless charger. Oh, this is so soft. It's something material that really makes your phone hold on it. It is not a slippery one. It will not slip your phone out of that. So now next, do the review and see you the process. How can you do this? So next, come at it. Now the charger that is given with the Samsung, you can see this Type-C port. I'm going to connect it with you can see you can stand it over like, or you can flat it over down. Okay, I'm going to flag it out, plug it in, and then charging it. You can see my phone has a cover right now. I'm just going to put it on it, and you can see the charger is not going. And you can see that the notification is over there. Fast charging wirelessly. You can see there. Or you can do while out the cover and put the phone on. You can see the fast charging is going on. Or you can swing in another way, like you can swift it and stand the phone on it on, and you can see Thank you so much guys for watching this video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. If you enjoyed, make sure that you thumbs up this video and share this video, and please subscribe the channel, and new videos, new reviews, new unboxing videos will be coming right now. And I think make sure that you hit the subscribe button, and also to hit the notification bell, that you can receive all the notifications from our new channel. And thank you so much for watching this video. Thank you so much guys. Stay tuned for the next channel. Hope you guys enjoy this video. Thank you so much.